About the Jal Neti, and we'll brief you about what is Jal Neti, why should we do Jal Neti, and what are the benefits of the Jal Neti. Jal Neti, look at the word itself, say Jal means water. Jal means water. Neti, the procedure is done for the cleaning of the nostril is called Jal Neti. What is one of the best way to clean the nose? You should know one thing, that maintain the cleanness of the body is one of the best to get rid of the disease. Jitna you to drive on newly built road, neat and clean, you will drive very fast and you reach to your destination very soon. But if you get a road which is very rough, obviously you will be late, you will be delayed, and you will take time to reach to your destination. Same thing apply on your nostril. From nostril you inhale oxygen and you exhale carbon dioxide. And you also know that there is a filter process in our nostril. The a cleaning process है. Jal Neti, it clean your nostril. We have through nostril we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. And same time you have a sense of the smell. So even if you look into your nostril, there is a base of the hypothalamus, and also it's connected to your orbital areas. So when you do Jal Neti, it cleans the nostril, both the nostril, right nostril, left nostril, also the throat areas. You can do like if you have Jal Neti pot, you can warm the water, you add with some salt, or if you don't want such kind of thing, then you can just buy a normal saline, just warm it and use as a Jal Neti water. It is very beneficial to you to do Jal Neti twice a day. You start Jal Neti, before you're going to start, just look at the nostrils. First your nostril passage, which one is open, which one is closed. You can close the left nostril first and try to check if your right nostril is open. Then also you just close your right nostril and check if the left nostril is open. If the both nostrils are open, then you can use either of them to use the process of Jal Neti. So when you do Jal Neti, basically what happens, like is this just the way of purification your nostril. So once your nostril, when this area is clean, this area is very clean. So when you inhale the oxygen, it's very very pure, and it removes the excess mucus from the nostril. So you will not have the sinus problem. And it also helps in the stimulation, proper blood supply to the hypothalamus, to your eyes, to your mouth, and all these areas. So what you have to see first, like you have to find out which you have to find out which nostril is open for you. Just close one of the nostril, breathe in, breathe out. You'll see it is open. It means my both the nostrils are open. I am breathing in from the both nostrils. But you have seen some patients, who can't breathe on both nostrils. So you find one nostril is blocked, you find other one is open. So take an example. Suppose this nostril is blocked. So I'll use this one first. Okay, I'll try to open this one. Then after that, I'll use this one to make sure that the circulation is normal. So I can use either, because both the nostrils are open. So I use my right or my left. After open your mouth while you're doing this process, body will breathe automatically from the mouth. Only we are just giving the water to pass through the other nostril. Open your mouth and press this one. Breathe. फिर other way around. be careful that you remove all the water which is written inside, and I'll show you how to do it. Then you can start with them. You can do this way. Let me keep handkerchief with you, or you can use handkerchief and do it. Then you can use make sure there is no water remain in your nostril, or you can do another way is you have to bend it over. There is no more water written in your nostril, yeah, because when water written in the nostril, it might cause some other problems. Yeah, maybe the sinus will be blocked. You feel heaviness in your brain, on your eyes, and you will not be comfortable. Once the water is out, you will feel more relaxed, more comfortable, and you see the breathing pattern will be very normal. So why we do this Neti?